Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have some goodies here from DpClubs. This is the second part of the unboxing. The first part went so well. I enjoyed everything I got, and thank you DpClubs for sending these things for me to show everybody. So let's get into it and let's show you what we have, okay? What do we have? What do we have? All right, let's get into it. All right, I have all these pre-cut, so I thought hopefully they'd come out easy. All right, here we go. What's the first one? What is the first one? Let's see. It's a special drill, I can tell that. Trying to roll it the other way and it's not cooperating very well. So there we go, we got it. Okay, basic toolkit with every kit. Pen, wax, and a tray. That's what you need to diamond paint, okay? All right, so what do we have? We have something that has 13 shapes and colors. Look at that, that's pretty. Oh, it's poinsettia-ish, isn't it? Oh, it is. It's a cute little thing, right? Cute. It's a 30 by 30 special drill. It's got a blue background, which I enjoy. It's got some color there. I love that it has a colored background. And it has stuff all over it that you actually diamond paint. Little stars here, little leaves, little fun stuff all around the background. Love that. Look at these big drills up here. That's gonna be fun. So it's like a wreath, and then we got some little poinsettias, and this looks like some pine boughs and things like that. That should be really cute, right? That should be really nice. I like that. All right, let's look and see what our drills are for this. What are our drills? There's gonna be a lot of specials for this one, I can tell. And I'm certain we're gonna have a bunch of Christmassy colors. All right, what do we get? What do we have? Okay, we have a green and another green. Is that it for the rhinestones? Really? Okay, that's it for the rhinestones. 2 shades of green. Everything else is special. Round smooths, a whole bunch of stars. Look at, there's a whole bunch of those. Oh yeah, because all of these petals, oh yeah. That orangish red marquee, that's beautiful. I have some yellow smooth. Oh no, I find some more rhinestones here. Hang on, they're at the end. They're tucked underneath. Okay, now here comes some smooths. Large smooth, medium smooth. What is going on here? I don't, oh, this is separate. Okay, and those are faceted reds. I'm so confused. Here we go. There's the rest of our rhinestones. They're a separate little piece. A blue, a red, and a green. Okay, now I'm feeling better. Okay. All right, but that'll be really cute. That should work up really nice. It's got some really pretty red stones. Love it. Love that. Okay, what else do we have? What else do we... Okay, we got a bag, and we have a bag. How's this bag open? I thought I was prepared. I was getting everything ready to go here. Bag in a bag. All right. Okay. Oh, let's throw it around. Throw it around. Okay. Here is our toolkit. Here's our drills. I'm seeing so much red and green. I think everything I got this time is like Christmassy. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. There's our red truck full of packages off to Grandma's house. Oh, look, it says Jolly. You do not drill that, so that's going to show up. Got the Christmas tree in the back. We're ready to deck the halls with boughs of holly. Look at it. Let it snow. Isn't that cool? I love it. 12 different shapes. We got some snowflakes everywhere. I love that. Love it. All right, it's beginning to feel a lot like fall around here, but you know what comes next? Christmas. We got to enjoy the fall weather first, right? Pumpkins and scarecrows. But we got to be prepared for Christmas. Look, clear, green, red, topaz, bronzy color, some more red, some more green, some more blue, or blue, red, smooth, some pretty clear teardrops. No, marquee. Yeah, marquee. Love these guys. Love the little snowflake guys. Those are so cool. I love those. They're some of my favorites. Oh, and let's throw one more rhinestone. Okay, one more rhinestone for good measure. But isn't that cute? Love that. There it is again. Look at it. Oh, nice. Nice. Love it. Okay, let's move that aside. Okay, what else? I'm getting to a bigger one over there. What's this one? What is this one? Do I have any full drill? Oh, I do. Here's a full drill. Okay, what do we got here? I don't know. This is a softer, more pliable canvas. I'm going to roll it backwards. Let's see what we got. Okay, regular drills, tool kit. What do we have? A 30 by 40. Oh, look, look. They have wording. What's it say? You and me, we got this. You can read those letters. Yay. You and me, we got this. I don't have to fix any letters there. Yay. Love it. Okay, what else we got? Oh, nice. Nice. It's just a beach scene. Yes. Oh, look, we got turtles. We got turtles down here. 2 beach chairs, an umbrella, sun setting. We're on the beach looking out. Oh, there's a hat. There's a hat hanging off the chair. See the hat here with the ribbons. Got a little starfish over there. This is picture printed. No? Yeah? No? No. No, it's not. This is pixel printed. I haven't gotten a pixel printed in a while now, but this one is pixels. Look, I'll show you. See how this is curvy? Yeah, it is pixels. These are individual printed pixels there. It's good and clear, but they're individual pixels. There's no real round, curvy shapes, okay? There you go. All right, let's look at the drills. Got some pretty colors. Trying to be cognizant of getting some regular drills, special drills, both. Okay, here's some colors. What else do we have? I didn't even mention that we have a legend on both sides, and the DMC codes are listed. See that? DMC codes on both sides, here and here, okay? Are they on the drills? No, but they're on the canvas. So let's go through some colors. Grays, pretty yellow, blue. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff in there. Blue, yellow, taupe, all kinds of stuff. Some more blues, a blue-gray, a darker blue-gray, lots of blues, lots of blues, lots of blues. So there's our colors, very pretty. So that one looks really nice, doesn't it? I mean, that looks pretty good. Yeah, okay. Not bad for a small size painting. All right, and the last one, this is the biggest envelope. What do we have in here? The largest envelope. Okay, so we have another painting in a bag. Packaged interesting. All right. Oh, and we undo down here. Everything's different. Okay. All right, let's get this out. Here's how our toolkit comes. We have some baggies with this one, and we get a multi-placer with that one. And this one's got a different boat. It's got a big wide boat. But this is taped. Okay. I thought I was like being all smart and getting everything prepared for us, you know. I've got an X-Acto knife here somewhere. It got buried underneath all the little bags. Okay. See, can I pull this off? Yeah. Okay. It's off. And we're off. And it's full drill. Whoa, that is dark. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Look at the colors. That's dark. Right? But can you read them? You can read them. We do have some white lettering there. Okay, what did I get? What is this? I don't remember. I don't remember. Wants to be all creased. Oh, well, let's change colors there. Okay. I don't know. It looks like a big old sunset. That's what it looks like. Oh, look at those. Those are individually bagged drills. Okay. All right. Yeah, quite the colors we got here. What do we have going on? This is the top. All right. I mean, a light pad will help with this because it's dark. I mean, everything is super clear. I just think you need to put a light pad under it, and that will clear it right up for you and help you to be able to see everything. Because we do have black lettering and white lettering depending on the background. We got blue sky, orange sky. Oh, it's a lighthouse. It's a lighthouse in the sunset. There is no thumbnail picture on this, but I will tell you why I got this. I know why I got this. This picture right here looks just like one of the lighthouses in Michigan. It looks like Grand Haven. I don't know if it is or not, but it looks like it because Grand Haven Lighthouse has this catwalk. They just redid all this like a year or two ago, and that's what their lighthouse looks like in Grand Haven. So it looks like the lighthouse at sunset. It'll be interesting to see how that turns out. Okay. A legend on both sides with the DMC codes on both sides. There's 28 colors. Lots of colors. It's very pretty. Can you see the walkway? See, this is the walkway out, and this is the catwalk out there. Okay. All right, I'm not going to take all of these out because we can see all the colors here. Black, like a mauve, peach, orangey colors, a little blue, some gray, teal, aqua, blue. That's a beautiful color right there. Okay, and they're all bagged. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way. Nice. Nice. Okay, well, that is what I got for this portion. Most of these look like they were, well, no, it's half and half. Half full and half special. Got a couple of beachy ones. Interesting. 2 beachy and 2 Christmas. Okay, all right. Well, again, thank you so much, DpClubs, for sending these items for me to show everybody. I will link all of them below. They have great prices. Check them out, okay? Yeah, that's about all I got to say right now. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you like what you saw and you want to see more, subscribe, come back, all that good stuff, okay? I certainly appreciate it. Until next time, I mean, we're going to go from beach to snow, all right? Yeah, beach to snow. There we go. That's about how it works around here, too. One day you're at the beach and the next day it's cold. You never know. All right. I'll talk to everybody soon. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.